Hi everyone, I am Dr. Digna Varghese. Today's topic is macrocyclic effect. I am very glad to share it with you. Before I start macrocyclic effect, I would like to share macrocyclic ligand. Macrocyclic ligands are very important ligands in biological and industrial chemistry. Macrocyclic ligands occur in many cofactors in proteins and enzymes. Macrocyclic ligands are special types of polydentate ligands in which the ligating atoms are constrained in a large ring encircling the metal atom. Macrocyclic ligands are even more stable than open chain chelating ligands. If you want to know more about macrocyclic ligand, you can click on iCard or you can find the video link in the description box. We are now aware of what is a macrocyclic ligand, and here we can see some examples of what macrocyclic ligands, that is heme, chlorophyll, vitamin B12. In that choline is the macrocyclic ring, and in chlorophyll and heme porphyrin like systems and phthalocyanins asa macrocycles are other examples of macrocyclic ligands. And one of the asa macrocycle is 1,4,7 triasa cyclononane. You can see its structure from this picture. My goal today is to help you understand macrocyclic effect. The macrocyclic effect is of great practical importance. The complexes formed by macrocyclic ligands are appreciably more stable than those formed by the most closely related open chain ligands. This effect of extra stability is known as macrocyclic effect. So, the macrocyclic effect is the high affinity of metal cations for macrocyclic ligands, which is compared to their acyclic analogues. Children, once again I will explain what is macrocyclic effect. Macrocyclic effects are the greatest stability of complexes that containing coordinated polydentate ligands or multidentate ligands or macrocyclic ligands compared with a complex containing equivalent number of analogous monodentate ligands. Macrocyclic effect follows the same principle as the chelate effect, but the effect is further enhanced by the cyclic conformation of the ligand. We know chelate effect is the enhanced affinity of a chelating ligand for a metal ion compared to its monodentate ligand counterparts. Okay. Macrocyclic ligands are not only multidentate, but because they are covalently constrained to their cyclic form, they allow less conformational freedom. That means it has a less conformational entropy. Conformational entropy is the entropy associated with the physical arrangement of a compound or a macrocyclic ligand that assumes a compact state in solution, okay, or with forming a complex with a metal ion. So there is a less conformational freedom, or it can form, they are covalently constrained to their cyclic form. The ligand is said to be pre-organized. That means it is a covalently constrained cyclic form for binding, and there is little entropy penalty for wrapping it around the metal ion when compared to a chelating ligand. For example, heme B is a tetradentate cyclic ligand which is strongly complexes with transition metal like iron. It is most seen this type of macrocyclic ligands in biological systems. Macrocyclic effects are the greatest stability of complexes containing the coordinated polydentate ligands compared with a complex containing the equivalent number of analogous monodentate ligands. The high affinity of macrocyclic ligands to a metal ion is thought to be a combination of the entropic effect seen in the chelate effect, together with an additional energetic contribution that comes from the pre-organized nature of the ligating groups. Okay, there are two effects, entropy effect and energetic contribution, additional energy contribution from the pre-organized nature of the ligating groups. That two effects creates a more stable coordination complex formed by macrocyclic ligands than chelating ligands containing complex. A competition between a chelating ligand and a macrocyclic ligand have the same number and type of donor atoms will generally lead to complex formation, predominantly by the macrocyclic ligand. This is actually what we call macrocyclic effect. Metal complexes of macrocyclic ligands often possess considerably greater thermodynamic and kinetic stability than their open chain analogues. These effects have been referred to collectively as the macrocyclic effect. The stability of metal complexes is governed by two different aspects that we know: thermodynamic stability and the kinetic stability of the complexes. Thermodynamic stability is the extent to which the complex will be formed or it is converted into another complex at the point of equilibrium. Thermodynamic stability we can explain in other words like the stability of complexes is the measure of the tendency of a metal ion selectively form a specific metal complex and is directly related to metal ligand bond energies. Okay. Whereas kinetic stability is related to the reactivity of the metal complexes in solution and deals with the rate of the reaction, as the term indicates, the kinetic, and also its activation energy, etc. So kinetic stability is also related to how fast a compound, here complex, reacts rather than how stable it is. Okay. We can now explain more detail the stability of macrocyclic complexes. There is a thermodynamic comparison of 18 crown 6 and pentaglyne complexes of sodium, potassium and barium. You can see the structure of crown 6 and pentaglyne here. Both these atoms, one is macrocyclic ligand and the other one is a chelating ligand, which contain 6 oxygen atoms which act as a potential donors to the sodium or potassium or barium metal ions. Okay, and there is a competition between a chelating ligand and a macrocyclic ligand having the same number and type of donor atoms will generally lead to a complex formation. Okay, that is predominantly by the macrocyclic ligand. This is known as macrocyclic effect. That is we can see from the table given here, that is a thermodynamic contributions to the macrocyclic effect, complexes of 18 crown 6 and a pentaglyne in methanol. Here you can see the log K1 value, that is the stability value of sodium complex of macrocyclic ligand 4.36 and for potassium 6.06 and for barium it is 7.04 and pentaglyne complexes only 1.44, 2.1 and 2.3. So highly stable complex is the complex of macrocyclic ligand. So there is high affinity of macrocyclic ligands to the metal ions. Now we are discussing the delta H values. What is its delta H contribution? It is minus 35.1, minus 56 here, minus 43.5, and for pentaglyne complexes it is lesser. So there is the high affinity of macrocyclic ligand is thought to be a combination of a pre-organized, comes from the pre-organized nature of the ligating groups. Here you can see it is a ring structure. There is no pre-organization or a arrangement which requires extra energy to attach the metal ions. Here there is no such energy is needed. But in the case of pentaglyne, when it acts as a chelating ligand, it forms a ring structure with the metal atom by chelate effect. For this it needed some extra energy for the reorganization of the molecule. So that again affect its stability when compared to the macrocyclic ligand. And in the case of entropy effect, when compared to the chelate effect with the macrocyclic effect, the entropy effect is much higher for 18 crown 6 complexes, and that is another contribution for the stability of macrocyclic ligands or macrocyclic complexes. Metal complexes of macrocyclic ligands often possess considerably greater thermodynamic and kinetic stability than their open chain analogues. So once again I will tell you children, the high affinity of macrocyclic ligand is thought to be a combination of entropy effect, which is seen in the case of chelate effect also, together with an additional energetic contribution that is comes from the pre-organized nature of the ligating groups. Okay. The additional stability is primarily an enthalpy effect due to the pre-organization of the macrocycle. The energy required to rearrange the macrocyclic ligands in complex formation is less than the energy required to rearrange the pentaglyne into a suitable conformation. Macrocyclic ligands, here we can see a macrocycle crown 6. The oxygen atoms are the potential donors. That oxygen atoms are arranged in a cyclic way, so these oxygen atoms can attach to the metal in a proper way. So this arrangement of oxygen atoms makes faster combination with the metal atoms and forming complex. That is, we actually call it as a macrocyclic effect. But in the case of pentaglyne, here you can see the oxygen atoms are arranged in a linear way. So these oxygen atoms form required to rearrange in order to attach the metal atom. So there is some energy required for the rearrangement, for the suitable conformation, for the complex formation. Such energy requirement is not needed for macrocyclic ligands, but here some extra energy required to rearrange pentaglyne to suitable conformation for the complex formation. So macrocyclic effect is thought to be a combination of the entropic effect together with an additional energetic contribution that comes from the pre-organized nature of the ligating groups. Entropy effect means number of, or the to reduce the disorder, okay, here after complex formation. So there is some entropy effect and also the enthalpy effect. Enthalpy effect means the pre-organization of the macrocycle. That two effects is the combination of for the macrocyclic effect. Macrocyclic ligands are very important ligands in biological chemistry or biochemistry. Macrocyclic ligands occur in many cofactors in proteins and enzymes. Macrocycles direct structural relationship to their biological molecules such as polyethers may provide clues to the discrimination shown by biological tissues toward various ions that you can see in sodium-potassium pump. This selectivity provides the so-called sodium-potassium pump necessary for the sodium ion-potassium ionic balance responsible for the electrical gradients and potentials in muscle action. In some case sodium is attached and in some case potassium attached, and there is a ionic balance which is responsible for the electrical gradients or nerve impulse or potentials in muscle action. Let me conclude. The macrocyclic effects are the greater stability of complexes containing coordinated polydentate ligands compared with the complex containing the equivalent number of analogous monodentate ligands. Thank you.